Which of the following is insoluble in water? A. Sodium carbonate, B. Magnesium sulfate, C. Lead 2 chloride, or D. Calcium sulfide. To answer this question, use the solubility rules for common ionic compounds. You're likely to see different versions of these rules in different textbooks. They're all pretty much equivalent, although some textbooks include more ions than others. In general, the rules will tell you which compounds are always soluble, which compounds are generally soluble, and what the exceptions are, and that pretty much anything else is insoluble, and what the exceptions are. Let's apply the rules to each of the choices. Let's start with choice A, sodium carbonate. This compound contains sodium ions. The first rule tells us that common ionic compounds that have sodium ions are soluble in water. Therefore, sodium carbonate is soluble in water. Choice A is incorrect. How about choice B, magnesium sulfate? Rule 1 does not apply. It doesn't say anything about magnesium, and it doesn't say anything about sulfate. So we move on to the second rule. The second rule tells us that sulfates are generally soluble, unless it is in combination with lead 2, barium, strontium, calcium, or mercury 1. The compound we're given is magnesium sulfate. Therefore, the compound is soluble. Choice B is also incorrect. How about choice C, lead 2 chloride? Again, the first rule does not apply. It doesn't say anything about lead or chloride. So we go on to the next rule. It says that chlorides are generally soluble, unless it is in combination with silver, lead 2, copper 1, or mercury 1. Our compound is lead 2 chloride. Therefore, it is an exception to the rule. Lead 2 chloride is insoluble. Therefore, choice C is the correct answer. Let's verify that choice D is in fact incorrect. The compound in choice D is calcium sulfide. Rule 1 does not apply. It doesn't say anything about calcium or sulfide. Rule 2 does not apply either. So we move on to Rule 3, which says that compounds not covered in Rules 1 and 2 are generally insoluble, and what the exceptions are. Referring to a periodic table, we find that calcium belongs to group 2A. Therefore, calcium sulfide is an exception. It is soluble.